Okay, I think we are live on the Facebook, on the YouTube. Um, just wanted to very quickly, this is what I have, a couple ideas from today's day before I'm gonna go run. I just wanted to do this very quickly. First of all, I wanted to talk about that. We cannot please everybody, and you cannot be, for example, because end of the day, how parents see you, and how like other friends see you, how or I don't know, like a woman, if you guy see you differently, this is whole thing is different. And I face with this situation when sometimes you didn't have always the result that you want. And what happens usually happens that people think, okay, maybe you have to change, maybe you have to do something different, whatever. And the the hardest part, when usually people give you advice when you don't ask, one, then those people don't have expertise there, two. A third one, yeah, they don't know what you want. This is the interesting part that I had this couple, days ago, and today was a trigger for me. Like on a pool, it was one guy. Like I don't mind. I was swimming, like I swim all the time, and then he said, "You swim a little bit different. Like you have to just put the head like on the water, and then from the two whatever not swims, how you use the hands, you have to breathe. And meaning the whole idea is that the neck, you has to be neck be straight with the water, and then you have to swim like this, and then just like maybe it sounds weird and look weird, but the whole idea is that it's just, first of all, I didn't ask. Secondly, it's really not important right now for me, and I really appreciate, like just try to do something. But this is what happened, like right. And me either, sometimes I give advice and I don't even think if the people really need it right now. Like every time those triggers, I have those triggers in my mind. And when be careful from whom you listen to, right? And a lot of people will not understand. And in general, I'm talking about the entrepreneurship. If you want to change your body, for example, right? I remember myself when I was in a school. I think it was the 5th grade or 6th grade, whatever. I was overweight, and at some point, I think in this stage, like you start like girls or whatever. And at this stage, that I understand, like I have a little bit extra weight, and like I don't have like a lot of girlfriends, quote unquote. I said, okay, like I need to improve something, right? And when I started, and honestly, this is most of the time I start from my body, from my exercise, and maybe this is where the momentum and the habit came from. Like if something happened in my life, I first start from the exercise, running, doing something, and then based on this, you just bring other habits, levels, momentums up. And this is what happened. I start from and I remember, like first maybe three months or something, I was really shy to tell all my like parents or something that I wanna do something. I remember I closed my room just on the lock and just do some abs, some push-ups. And I'm telling you, like, this was so weird, but it was so painful that I said, okay, I need to do this, because this girl, for example, she has this guy, and this guy, he's a good guy, he's a taller, he's something. And like, come on, like who you are. And it's normal right now. I see it's amazing when you have this like insecurities or something. But again, this is what I've noticed. Sometimes insecurity can be vice versa. You have to be careful, because when you have something, when you build something, when you dream about something, and you go to some direction, and then insecurities, these can you doubt, like can stop you, can slow you down. It really depends. I mean, if you see potentially that you have a problem, that, and you have to improve it, just go for it. And the best way, it's a straight line. Don't think too much. And again, it's not about like I know everything. It's just what I've noticed for a couple days ago, even today, some insights. This is what I want to share. Another point, again, this is what was a trigger. And then like my parents and like my other like really good friends, they start to recommend me, start giving me advice that I don't ask. And this is what I've noticed, that like, okay, cool, you think it's good for you, but it's not good for me. And it's and then when you hear this from like from the close people, it's a little bit harder, because from the other people, like whatever, like on the Facebook or something, it's just like whatever, you really don't pay attention. Sometimes you do, but Most of the time you don't. It's just they don't know you, right? They don't know what you do every day. And meaning, if you don't have something at this second, it doesn't mean that you're not gonna get it. Just question it. I remember one dude says, like, I have a job, but I don't have a salary yet. Meaning, I know what I'm doing. Like, for example, like e-commerce, right? But I don't get paid. Or like, for example, you said, I know that I'm gonna get this party, but it's not yet. I have to just put it work. And again, another point is what I've noticed. It's a discipline. Like, this is for somehow at some point I just kind of understand, because I was at some point really, I wanted to be creative, and I think I really creative in some direction, but because this creativity, nothing, like, you have a base on a creativity, because I mean mental base, right? When you can say, okay, I want this, I can write it down the plan, I can just create the plan, like daily plans, daily actions, what I have to do, and boom, you can do it. If you don't have that, creativity usually can really burn off, like really fast, like in a couple days, in a couple weeks. It's exactly what happened to me. You have to be stable, and in this case, what I'm doing publicly, a lot of people don't understand, but it's fine. It's fine. I said, I hope it's something click for you. I hope you're gonna get some inspiration. I hope something click, whatever, at some point. But at the end of the day, I wish you the best. I wish you to find yourself. I think this is the main reason. But at the end of the day, I do this for myself, because I see right now I'm building the new discipline in myself to be accountable. And if you said something, you have to do it. Right now I have 2 cameras, one for the Facebook, one for the YouTube, because I told myself I want to do this YouTube also, and I was thinking to do some different videos, whatever. But when you have a direction, when you have the goal at least in your mind, I remember, like, my friend says about the number 11. Said when we just had a conversation, like 1 + 1 = 11. For her it's clicked, and it clicked for me also. But another right now, just not even downfall, but the idea also, it's good. It's easy to understand. It's a little bit creative, right? But what I've noticed is, what I've heard, that if you have 1 + 1 = 11, but those 1 and 1, they have to be the full 1, right? When you have a full 1, meaning if you can do it without me, anyway, I can do without you anyway, then it's 1 + 1 = 11. Sometimes I know the friend who, like, really struggled. He said, like, he was a little bit lonely, a little bit depressed or something. I said, I want to find a girlfriend because I'm gonna be happier. And for him, the happiness was based on somebody else. And what I've noticed, this is what I heard from Peter Osipov. He says you have to be like a complete one. You have to be good with yourself, and then to come up with somebody, it will help you it will double everything and make it even better. That's why it's just redirection. But she says, when we talk about this 1 + 1 = 11, the whole idea is that I start noticing these 11s. I start noticing the number 11, the number 11, like on a clock, on a car, the plate, whatever. It's interesting, because that's why when you focus your brain a little bit to pay attention, then we notice. The same for me, for example, right? I'm just right now, like, in a mode to eventually soon buy the car, the Jaguar F-Type. I'm telling you, I don't see anything else, but I see, most of the time when I see Jaguar, it's immediately, like, got my attention, because you focus on this stuff, right? Yeah, it's important. And again, we don't have to please everybody, and the whole idea is it's not okay, because it's also based on somebody else. I think at the end of the day, the whole idea, the whole goal, you have to become good at yourself, be happy yourself, and then you don't have to be found yourself happy yourself, but you have to be really cautious, like what you do, and the goals and everything. Because even for myself, like, sometimes I think every training, like, the mindset, like, somebody spent a little bit more, somebody spent a little bit less, but I wasn't even paying attention as much before. I said, okay, fuck it, it's not important, let me just give tactical. But right now I'm telling you, like, just to myself and to everybody else, the mindset, it's a huge, if you have enough why. And also, I remember a couple of days ago, do I have this? Yeah, I think I have this. I think you'll not be able to understand exactly what I mean by this. But yes, this one, this is circle, and this is circle. What this circle means, you have a 3 layers of of actions, right? Potentially, like on the top, it's like technical, right? It's for example in Shopify, because it will be easier to explain. Shopify, for example, it's a Shopify website. Then next layer, it's like a relationship, like a partners, you know, the connection between the supplier with you. Like if you have a good connection, if you're happy, you know, this good. But then the deeper, the main core is it's a how you do this. Do you put enough effort? Do you do your best every time? You know, because I think it's a really controversial question, like, you know, less is more, or in my case, right, like consistency more than, because it's not the best quality. It's not the best quality right now. I agree, but the whole idea is, I think it really depends on which stage. On the beginning, if you're gonna think about quality, then you're gonna overthink. When you have some base, then you can think about creativity. Everybody know who I know, like successful. Everybody start from the shit, and then build, test more, and then boom, they understand, and based on what's working, they, you know, keep doing what's working for them based on what's working. Maybe it's too much really to explain, but the idea, like, you know, to put really the best effort to feel proud of yourself, right? Like if somebody asks you to clean the car, if you just clean it like and just go, because today, this is what example today, they asked me to clean a little bit the car, and like, you know, in the beginning I said, okay, let me just do it very quickly, and then I come back, and then I said, okay, I'm proud of myself, because I remember this story was from the Russell Brunson also, his dad, he asked him to wash the car, he just washed, and it's so funny that because those kind of small triggers, they just, you know, they're everywhere, just it really depends where you pay attention. But the same, like they asked me, like, you know, to clean a little bit, I just like clean a little bit, and just wanted to drive, and so am I proud of myself? Like, did I really good job? And I stopped, and I spent another 15 minutes just make it better. Again, you know, it's not about nothing, it's just what in my mind right now. Hope you're gonna get some value. Again, my credit right now, it's a consistency over creativity. If you have any questions and you potentially want to ask, you can just leave in the comments below. I'll try to answer. Anyway, have a great day and see you tomorrow.